Hi everyone, today I'm going to go through a tutorial of Star CCM. About today's simulation, uh, we are going to demonstrate a classic cavity flow. So this is a contour map of a cavity flow. The cavity has its opening at the top with air constantly blow from the left hand side to the right hand side at 1 meter per second, and the rest of the boundary is stationary or fixed. So this is what we are going to simulate. We could see the flow contour is keep circulating inside this cavity. So let's go back to a blank Star CCM. So this is the Star CCM user interface. If we would like to start a simulation, we just click this button here, click OK. Then we are going to select the mesh which we are going to simulate. So import volume mesh, go to C drive, program file, cd adapt code, start CCM, doc, tutorial data, and this one is under incompressible flow. Select cavity quad and open. So this is the flow domain of our simulation. If you are interested about the mesh, click this button here, select mesh. Then you could see the mesh setup of this simulation. Let's go to physics to select the models we are going to use to simulate this cavity flow. So I select steady state for the time, material using gas, coupled flow, constant density, since the velocity is far less than Mach 0.3, so we could consider everything is constant density. Then turbulent flow. We are going to select the most commonly used turbulence model, which is K epsilon turbulence model. Then that's pretty much we need. So let's close this button. Alright, then go to regions. We have 4 different regions here: wall number 3, 4, 5, and 7. So number 5 is the moving wall, and the rest of the wall is stationary wall. So we are going to change the setting of the wall number 5. Go to physics condition, tangential velocity specification, select vector. Then we have one option being pop up after we select vector. So we are going to set up the vector specification here. So let's say 1 meter in x direction. Alright, so the wall number 5 is a moving wall right now. Then the rest of wall is stationary wall, since the default setting of wall is stationary. So we are good here. And then let's click this button for contour. So this is the scalar contour. On the color bar here, we right click and select the quantity we would like to monitor. So we select velocity here. Alright, since the simulation is not starting yet, so we don't have any number inside our fluid domain. The first thing before we start our simulation is going to initialize or given a number into our fluid domain. So right now the velocity is given to be 0 at the starting point. All the value or the given value, initial value, is set up under physics initial conditions here. So the pressure numbers, velocity numbers, or all other different settings are start from here. Alright, once you are ready, then you just click this button here, run. then you can see the contour is evolving uh, while the start CCM is running. So you can see the iteration is keep going step by step, and then the contour is keep evolving throughout the iteration process. So I think that is pretty much of the simulation process. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.